In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Framer. Highlighting text is a simple way to draw attention to keywords or phrases in your designs, and in Framer, it's done by combining stacks, padding, and background color. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily repeat it on any project. First, open a Framer project or page where you already have some text on the canvas. This can be any existing design or a brand new page. Just make sure you're in the canvas view where you can click directly on elements. Next, click on the specific text element you want to highlight. This might be a heading, a short label, or a piece of body copy. Make sure you select the text layer itself, not the entire section or frame around it. You should see its bounding box and properties appear in the right-hand panel when it's selected. Now, with that text selected, right-click on it and choose Add Stack. What this does is wrap your text inside a stack container. A stack in Framer controls layout, spacing, and things like padding, which is exactly what we need to create a highlight background around your text. After adding the stack, your text will sit inside this new wrapper. Once the stack is created, look over to the right-hand properties panel and navigate to the padding controls. Padding is the space inside the stack, between the text and the edges of the container. This is what will give your highlight some breathing room so it looks like a clean block of color behind the text instead of being cramped. Click on the padding box to activate it. You can usually choose to link all sides together or adjust each side individually. Go ahead and type in your desired padding value. For a typical text highlight, a small amount of padding on all sides works well, but feel free to experiment. Increasing the padding will make the highlight look more like a bold tag, while smaller numbers keep it subtle. With the padding set, it's time to actually add the highlight color. Still in the right-hand panel, find the Fill option for the stack and click on it. This controls the background color of that stack, which now sits directly behind your text. When the color picker opens, select the color you want to use for your highlight.